Since the spread of COVID-19, Philippines has been undergoing through extreme difficulty, especially in its economic status. By this day, March 8, 2022, the current number of COVID-19 cases is 14,458. In order to stop the spread of COVID-19, the government, Department of Health, and the World Health Organization issued a prevention in order to stop it from spreading.
Always do social distancing. Always stay at home and only go outside if it's really necessary. Make sure you always clean yourself. Always wash your hand and always disinfect the item that we always hold. Always follow this instruction to stop the spread of COVID-19.
Kahit na maraming ipinatutupad ang World Health Organization sa ating bansa at sa buong mundo, hindi pa din maikakaila na may mga taong sumasang-ayon at hindi sinasang-ayunan nito. At dahil dito, nag-ikot ang aming team para subaybayan at pakinggan ang boses ng bawat Pilipino. Sir, payag po ba kayo na tanggalin po ang face shield?
Opo, kasi nakikita na rin po natin na ginagawa na rin po ito sa ibang bansa.
Kayo po sir, sumusunod po ba kayo sa World Health Organization at pinatutupad ng IATF?
Oo, dahil mahalaga ito para makaiwas sa anumang sakit at sa COVID-19.
Ma'am, sabi po nila, gagawin na daw pong mandatory ang pagbabakuna. Payag po ba kayo doon, ma'am?
Hindi, dahil iba-iba tayo ng paniniwala at mas maganda kung magpapabakuna ang mga tao nang hindi pinipilis at makakabuti kung ito ay bukal sa kanilang kalooban.
Did you know that astronomers and navigators use constellation to locate certain stars? Navigators also use constellation in order to navigate their surroundings.